Sergeant Rick Norris with the Florida Highway Patrol. This crash occurred on County Road 329 as a tractor with a forklift was traveling west on County Road 329. A dump truck was traveling east on 329. For unknown reasons, the tractor suddenly came into the lane of the dump truck. The dump truck attempted to swerve to avoid the crash, but was unable to do so. The resulting crash resulted in both vehicles overturning, the tractor in the roadway, the dump truck onto the shoulder.
And at this point, anybody injured?
The driver of the tractor was transported to Shands in critical condition.
And the other driver is
and the driver of the dump truck is fine. Received only minor injuries.